Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be looking after append query and merge query. So append is nothing but one below one and merge is nothing but side by side. So in the simple form, append is nothing but when you have additional rows of data that you would like to add to an existing query, you do the append. You append the query. And if when you have one or more columns that you would like to add to another query, you will merge that query. So in simple way, we can say append is nothing but one below one and merge is nothing but side by side. So in append we go with the rows, and in merge query we go with the column. So this is a simple definition of merge and append. So now we will check how to do this append and merge in Power BI. So we will go in Power BI app. So guys, we are in the Power BI desktop. So now I have already loaded my two sales data for the year of 2016 and 2015, and I have one more data which is the category. So I will just show the data what we have in category. So we will use transform, because as I can see in this data I have few blank rows and I need to assign the headers. I will use transform data. So now after clicking on transform data, we will be directed to Power Query Editor. In Power Query Editor, so now we'll be simplifying the data and also doing the append queries and merge queries in the same Power Query Editor. I will also show you how to enter in Power Query Editor if we are not using this transform data option, how to go into from the Power BI to this query editor. So now first of all, as you can see, the headers are not been given, so I will use first row as header. I will remove the blank rows. So now the data is clean. The second will be, I want this category in my sales data. I have the categories and subcategories already defined, and based on that all the information. So here I have the category and I have the subcategory. So we have three different categories: furniture, office supplies and technology. And for subcategories we have 17 different types of subcategories of the categories. So as you can see, I want those all information in front of all these columns, so that means side by side. So as you can see, we will be doing side by side. So I will click on merge query. Here we get two options: merge queries and merge queries as new. If I click on new, I will get a new sheet, I will get a new data. So I will, for example, I will do a merge query as new. And if we click on the merge query directly, so whatever data you are using or whatever queries you have, the category will add those information as a merge. So in this case I have used as a new, so it will create a new file. So first I want all those data based on 2016. So in the 16 sales data, I have the category and also I have the category common columns. We have few join kinds. We have left outer, right outer, full outer, inner, left anti and right anti. So in this case we'll be using left outer joint as all from first matching from second. And as I can see, the selection matches, it is showing 100%, that is 17 out of 17. That means the match is complete. So now we can merge. If I click on OK, as you can see, we have directed to a new query for merge 1, in which we have 2060 data. If I expand it, click on OK, As you can see, all the data has been expanded based on the furnitures, office supplies and technology for 2016 data. Similarly, now we will be doing append query. So in this case, I will do the append as a new for my 2015 and 16. So the challenge is I want 2016 and 2015 in one set of data. That means below 16 I want 15. So I will append query as new. I want 2016 first and then I want 15. So I'll click OK. As you can see, we have another new append query in which if I search for 2015, yes, you can see here we have 2015 and 2016 as well. So that means the append operation has been completed. So in this way you can append and merge the data when you have multiple sets of data in different files or different worksheet. You can merge those worksheet and also you can also add those worksheet one below the another and also side by side using merge and append query. So this is how we use merge and append. Thank you for watching my video. If you want some more information based on that, please let me know, or if you want few another videos particular on a subject you are interested, please let me know. I will get back to you soon. Thank you.